What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. I am so excited that you could be here today because today we are doing a pre-trip haul. First things first, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you are subscribed to our channel if you're not already. Hit that like button if you like pre-trip hauls, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time we release a video on Mondays and Fridays. We are about ready to head out on an amazing adventure. We are headed to Disneyland and on a Disney cruise, and it's just going to be super magical. So we've been planning this trip for a really long time. Got some amazing stuff here, and I think you're going to like it. As always with these pre-trip hauls, every single thing is linked below. So if you are wanting to go check out any of these shops or any of these specific items, everything is linked below. We are always loving to support those small businesses. Also, this is all stuff that is not sponsored, so everything in this video is either a gift, like from my mom, or was purchased by me. We love to support small business, and I love to find unique and fun items that not everybody has, so I hope that you love some of this stuff, and without further ado, let's jump right in. So the first thing is that we're actually going to be in Disneyland on Halloween. As I was doing our packing itinerary, yes, I have a packing itinerary that lays out every single outfit I'm going to wear on a trip, I realized that we're going to be in Disneyland on Halloween. Now, we're not going to Oogie Boogie Bash. It was sold out, which is totally fine. We're still going to have an amazing time. We're still going to be in Disneyland on Halloween, experience all those decorations. And the best part is, on Halloween, we get to experience Disney Halloween decorations. On November 1st, is when the Christmas goes up. So we're going to get the best of both worlds. That is so amazing. I'm super excited. I'm still debating on whether or not I should take a Christmas outfit, but I think I'm going to lean towards no because I already have too many outfits planned for this trip, and we're only going to be in Disneyland for 3 days. So anyways, we're going to be in Disneyland on Halloween, and I picked up this velvet skirt. This is actually an Amazon find. I've been finding some amazing clothing items on Amazon lately, and this is no different. This was an Amazon find. As always, it's linked below, so be sure to check it out. They have like 15 different colors of velvet skirts, and this is so soft. Now, I'm gonna wear some, I have these like CrossFit shorts that I wear that are tight, short shorts, and I wear them under my skirts whenever I wear a skirt or a dress in the parks, just because getting in and out of rides, I don't feel like that's what people paid for, but I think this is a perfect length. It's not short, it's not too long, and it's from Amazon, so if something happens to it, it was only like 20 bucks, so it's not the end of the world, but I think it's gonna be great. I think it's gonna be perfect, and I'm actually going to rewear this when we go to Disney World for our Christmas trip, so it's a multi-purpose velvet skirt. Next up, the shirt that's going with the skirt, and that is actually a shirt that I picked up in preparation for our trip to Disney World for our fall trip, our Food and Wine and Mickey's Not So Scary trip. So I'm so excited we're going to be there for Halloween and I can wear this. This is going to be my Halloween, actually October 31st outfit. So I'm going to wear this with my black glitter athletics from Bibbidi Bobbidi Bling. You'll see a pair of glitter athletics coming up here shortly that I got in time for this trip, but those black ones I've worn before. I love those glitter athletics. They're super comfy. I can wear them all day in the parks if I want, so they work really well for me, and I'm all about the glitter life. Can't go wrong with that. Next up is a really cute shirt. This is just a simple white t-shirt that I found on Etsy, but this little Mickey is so adorable. Is he not the cutest little Mickey you've ever seen? His little face is so cute. Now, this is just a simple white shirt. It came in a few different colors, but I just really liked the white. I thought it would be perfect, and I already had the ears in mind that I wanted to wear with it, so I thought white was going to be perfect. And as you guys also know, one of the funnest parts about these vlogs for me is experiencing my husband's reaction when he sees all of the stuff that I've purchased in preparation for a trip. Luckily for this one, he's probably not going to have a heart attack because he has already seen the packing room, which has all of my outfits laid out, so he's seen all of these outfits. But what he doesn't know is that I actually got him one of those shirts too, so that's going to be really cute. We can wear those together in Disneyland. Simple white shirt, but I thought that Mickey was just too cute to pass up, so I had to get me one, and then I went ahead and ordered one for him as well, so really excited about those outfits. The ears that I'm going to wear with those outfits are right here. These are actually the first 3D printed ears that I've ever purchased, and I think they're super cute. I actually saw these and I thought they were perfect for Disneyland. Look at that. You see Sleeping Beauty's castle there. You see the partner statue. So awesome. And then I actually just made this bow. I found this fabric at Joann and I was like, that'll be perfect to go with those ears. So I just made them. Now, an interesting thing about these ears, and like I said, the shop is linked below, so be sure to check her out. But the interesting thing about these ears is that you purchase the headband separately, and then you purchase the ear. I think that's because they're interchangeable, and so you can switch them out. Now, what I actually did was I glued them down because they were sliding, and I just didn't want them to like fall off. I didn't know if that was going to be a thing. So I just glued them on, and I'm totally fine with that. So obviously I can't reuse this headband, but that's okay. But I think it's so cute. I can't wait to wear these in the park, and they're actually really lightweight, which is fun too. This outfit is actually really funny. So I've been wanting to get this outfit. This has been one thing that I've been planning for our Disneyland trip since well before we even booked a trip to Disneyland. And as soon as I saw that Pixar ball wall at Lamplight Lounge in Disneyland for the first time on social media, I was like, I have to have a Pixar ball outfit. I'm so excited for this. And so Bryson knows that like we are going to be spending a lot of time there. We're not going to be spending a lot of time there, but that we're going to have to be getting a lot of photos there because I'm so excited to wear this outfit that I'm about to show you in the Pixar ball wall at Lamplight Lounge. So I picked up these amazing Pixar ball ears. They're perfect. This is a new shop. I've never purchased from her before, but she was actually able to rush these to me. Thank you so much if you're watching. She was actually able to rush these to me because the original Pixar ball ears that I'd ordered actually didn't ship out in time and I wasn't being communicated with, so I didn't know what was going on. I was freaking out. And so I found these on Etsy and I reached out to her and I kind of explained the situation and was like, we are leaving really fast for a trip. Is there any way you could get these to me? And she was like, absolutely no problem. So she shipped them out really, really soon for me and I think they turned out really cute. They are perfect and they look really well made. They look comfortable. I love that it's a bigger bow. You guys know I love my bigger bows, so I can't wait to wear these with my Pixar ball outfit. Next up, of course, I had to get a shirt to go along with it. Now this shirt, I searched high and low for the perfect shirt to go with this outfit and I found it a few months ago and I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it's so cute. I went back and forth because there's a Pixar ball sequin shirt that Disney Parks has and I really liked that, but then I came across this one and I was like, I gotta get it. This comes in a variety of styles. And it says, I like long walks on Pixar Pier, which I think is super, super cute. And it's all in the glitter vinyl. Now, this is a vinyl, they're vinyl decals, but they're on there really, really well. I'm really pleased with the quality of this. And this is a Bella canvas tank, I think. Oh no, this is a Next Level tank or shirt. Next Level and Bella Canvas are my favorite shirts to wear, as if you've watched any of our packing vlogs in the past, I talk about them ad nauseum. I love these shirts. It's so comfy. This actually came in several different varieties. You could get it in a V-neck like I did. You could get it in a racerback tank top. You could get it in a unisex shirt, all kinds of stuff. And in a couple of different colors as well. I just thought the black was perfect. So I can't wait to wear this outfit. I am so excited. Now you'll get to see the shoes that I got to go with this here in a minute, but needless to say, let's just show them to you now. So you guys know I love my glitter athletics from Bibbidi Bobbidi Bling, like I said, and I got the neon yellows. I went back and forth about this because I feel like I don't wear like a ton of neon yellow. Like it's not necessarily my first choice. Then I realized that I actually have a lot of yellow and a lot of stuff that would go with this, and it's perfect for my Pixar outfit. So I think these are super cute. You guys, Bibbidi Bobbidi Bling is absolutely amazing. She has the best customer service. She's very communicative. She's so sweet. I absolutely love buying from her. I only buy my glitter athletics from her, even though you can find them on a lot of other shops. So these are really lightweight. They weigh absolutely nothing, and they're super cute. So can't wait to wear these. Definitely check out Bibbidi Bobbidi Bling for all of your glitter athletic needs. What better place to wear a Steamboat Willie outfit than in Disneyland? Poupée Stitch, I think that's how you pronounce it, Poupee Stitch on Etsy, and she's also on Instagram. She makes the most adorable ears, and I saw these and I knew I had to have them, so I got them quite a while ago, but I'm so excited for these. They're so cute. I think these are perfect, you guys. And these are really, really lightweight. These ears, I feel like they look like they're heavier than they are because of all of the stuff that's going on. But this is actually foam, and these ears are incredibly lightweight. So I'm really excited to wear these in the parks. I do get headaches sometimes from ears, even though I wear them all the time. Comfort really isn't my top priority when it comes to my outfits. I'm so excited for these. I think they're perfect. So definitely check her out. I've also worn ears from her for Star Wars, and absolutely loved those too. So definitely check her out. She's really, really great. Had to get a shirt to go with it. So I found this. This is a canvas tank. This is a Bella Canvas t-shirt. And is this not the best Steamboat Willie shirt? I think it's so cute. This is a vinyl decal. It's on there really, really well. It seems to be a really nice vinyl. This is a really great shirt. I think it's going to be an awesome addition to my Disney collection. But I can't wait to wear this in Disneyland. I think it's perfect. What better way to wear a Steamboat? What better place to wear a Steamboat Willie outfit than in Disneyland? So like I said, we're going on a cruise. Our second cruise. We're going on the Disney Wonder. We are so excited about it. And actually, this is so funny because we didn't book this trip because our friends did this, but we follow Leg Life on YouTube and Instagram and everywhere else. They are the sweetest couple on the planet. We absolutely love them. They're so adorable. And they actually did this exact same cruise that we're doing a couple of years ago. It's out of San Diego. We go to Ensenada and we go to Cabo, and it's supposed to be super, super fun. But we're not going to Castaway Cay. So I was like, what? Like, I don't know what to pack. But I knew I had to get a really cute outfit for Embarkation Day. And so I did that. And I think I'm going to wear this on Embarkation Day. This is a super cute shirt here. Is that not adorable? So funny story about this is I found this shirt just looking for a cruise shirt that I wanted to get. And this was actually in a shop that I think specializes in like little girls' clothes. But I asked her, I was like, can you do this in an adult size? And she was happy to do so. So I'm so excited about this. It's a really nice, it's really well made. I love the polka dots. I love all the different colors. I think it's going to be super, super fun. Now I'm going to wear this. If you watched our most recent Disney World trip, I wore a paper bag white skirt for my Dumbo. I was not Dumbo. I was Donald Duck. For my Donald Duck costume. And that's the skirt that I'm going to wear with that shirt. So really excited about that. It's going to be really fun. Now I actually also have a pair of cruise ears coming. I ordered them from Melissa's Ears. She did a custom order for me. Sent her kind of what I was looking for, and she designed something really cute. So I'm so excited for those, but they're not here yet. They're supposed to be here tomorrow. So hopefully they get here in time. I'm sure they will. Now I only have a couple more things. One thing is that you guys know that I carry a really big bag in Disney World. I carry a lot of stuff. There's been times I feel like this bag has probably weighed 35 to 40 pounds, easy. That might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but after 12 hours in the park, it feels like it. I put a lot of stuff in there, but there's sometimes we go to the parks and I'm like, maybe we're just going for a dinner reservation, or maybe we're just going for fireworks, or whatever the case may be, and I don't really want to take a massive backpack, especially if we're going to like a nice restaurant. So I have been toying with the idea of getting a mini backpack for those times that I can just throw my wristlet and a water bottle and a few other things in, and then we're good to go. And so I finally bit the bullet and I went on Box Lunch and I got this little guy. I think he's so cute. I'm so obsessed with Dumbo, if you didn't know. I think Dumbo is the cutest thing ever. But I'm so excited about this. And I got it on boxlunch.com, and they were actually running a special, so I got a couple of discounts on it. And currently at the time of filming, this exact bag is on special again. So head over to Box Lunch and check out all of their amazing stuff. If you are really looking for a lounge fly, but you don't necessarily like the selection that they have in the parks, head over to Box Lunch because they have some amazing, amazing designs that I've never seen in the park, and they have a ton of Disney stuff. So be sure to check that out. Is that not the cutest Dumbo? He's so cute. I said this already, but I'm not a huge comfort person. Comfort is not my first priority when we go on a trip. It's just not for me. It's just who I am. But I walk around the parks in Old Navy flip-flops all day, every day for the most part. And I've never really had a problem. But I did think that maybe I would want to invest in a nicer pair of flip-flop or sandals to wear. And when we were on our last trip, I saw this girl had these sandals on, and I asked her if they were comfortable, and she said, yeah, they're the most comfortable things I've ever owned. So these are Sanuk, I think is the brand. It's SANUK. I went on their website and I got these. These are called yoga mat flip-flops. So this is yoga mat material in the right there that your foot goes on. So it's super cushy. I'm so excited for these. So I got these in black. This is just a fabric. It's a really soft fabric that you put, this goes around your ankle around the back, like so. And then it's just a thong design. And I got these in black, and then I got them in gray. So everything is black except this is gray. And I'm going to try them out on this trip, and I think they're going to be awesome. I have worn them one time, the black ones. I've worn them one time to a barbecue, and they were perfect. So I think they're going to be great for the parks, and who knows, maybe I'll become a comfort person after all. So the last thing I want to talk about are these really cute pullovers that I got. They're so, so adorable. I absolutely love them. And what's funny is that I'm not a big pullover person. I'm more of a full zip person. A lot of these shops that do these like embroidered zip ups and hoodies and things, they don't do full zips. They only do 3/4 zips. And so I decided that these pullovers were fine. And actually my mom got these for me, and they're so, I can actually wear them to work. I wore one to work last week and I got a lot of compliments on it. So I got these two. This one is black and it has the little Dumbo outline and it says my monogram there, and it's so cute. You can choose from all different types of characters and themes on her website. This is blonderuby.com. I think it's her website. It's Blonde Ruby is the maker, and it's the shop. But this is the Dumbo one. I think it's adorable. I can't wait to wear it on the cruise and probably in Disneyland as well. This is the last one that I got. This one is navy and it has a hot pink mini bow, as you can see, with the little polka dot, and then it has my monogram again. So these are really cute. They're really comfy. The inside is like that really soft fleecy material, so they're really soft, which is amazing. I think these are so well made. I'm so thrilled with these and I can't wait to get more of them. I was actually thinking about reaching out and seeing if there was any way she could do a full zip, just because that's what I wear every single day pretty much. I wear it over my gym clothes and before and after the gym, and just around the house I wear full zips. So I might reach out to her and see if she can do that, but I don't know if that's a possibility because I don't think she has them in her shop. So that's everything I got for this trip, you guys. I am just so excited about this. I think this is going to be amazing. This is the first trip that we're going to take to Disneyland together. We've both been separately, but we've never been together, so it's going to be really fun. I can't wait to see all the Halloween decorations. I can't wait to see the Christmas in Disneyland. I can't wait to see the castle. I can't wait to walk where Walt walked. There's just so many things I can't wait for. I think it's just going to be absolutely magical. And then our second Disney cruise, our first time on the Disney Wonder, we're going to Ensenada. We're going to do an adults only wine excursion, which we also got from the Leg Life videos because they did the adults only wine excursion. And it's just going to be the most epic adventure, and I hope you guys follow along. Make sure that you're subscribed to our channel so that you can follow along with our videos as they come out. We will be releasing a ton of content. We'll be vlogging every day that we're on this trip. So it's going to be really fun. We can't wait to take you guys with us. So be sure that you're subscribed to our channel. Hit that like button if you like pre-trip hauls and you're excited for Disneyland. And also hit that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a video on Mondays and Fridays. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.